lobu samalia ni test le shueta ang azo thari duna ni begi ang ji lerim di ma dwei and the name the sonza kasi duna ngeme delia manzo gi blockchain real number na ne ani kang manzo gi natural numbers re ta na shi whole numbers re integers re and na shi rational numbers la che manzo mango shi cha yo wa ti ja yo na ne ta rational number la na khande chi lag dwe so rational numbers la rachna a number which can be expressed written in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. So rational number is 생이 디시야 라야 아니 아주 condition 나 마스네 순창 주 생이 디와 rational number 레벨 마르베스라 condition 순창 당보디 소다디 p by q 이니지 고래 당보들 numerator the denominator 이니지 니바델이야 numerator the denominator p the q 딩이 이건 가리고래는 integers니 숨바다 타마디 가리고래 denominator should not be 0 denominator is 0 마인 버치고래서 덴저 숨심이 거르시나 안건조의 신이 갈라고나 rational numbers 로고 이게 이거 손자다 rational number 디 세부 차이가 손자 땅도 데 지워주다 로루 창마디로 지워디 포스티제 넘버즈 레인 삼땅도면 약시 아니 메거시나 니젤 레인 헬로친디치기 so we are asked to circle the numbers which are rational numbers. Rational number 이버러시나 고르다 야슈오스라. So 당보디인다 먼저. 지와 당보디 is 2 by 7 a rational number. 2 by 7 the rational number 레라 이점벌라 콜리아 숨창 오치라 condition 숨디. So condition 당보디 가르쳐도도라나 그기 속다 p by q redwes form di. 부자다 맞춰 유니 레그. So 2 by 7 2 by 7 나 부자다 맞춰 유니 속다 레샤스 condition 당보디 상승 이버디 p and q यामना p q belongs to integers लरवा integers लना तान 먼저 positive 0 negative numbers nim상말 integers लरवा so 2d integers re 다가나시 7 is also integers ratios condition 이버데 상샤스 숨바다 타마디 q should not be 0 아니 얘가 denominator surdo 7 so 7 is not equal to 0 네 상수스 therefore 2 by 7 is a rational numbers. 다나시 negative 3 by 11. rational numbers 찍다 들어와 condition 상마 더 돼요. 다나시 1.8. So 1.8 is this a rational number? This can be written as expressed as 18 upon 10. And the one figure 이가리아 divide by 2 치워라시나 what you get is 9 by 5. So 9 by 5, 18 by 10 like that, 9 by 5, 18 by 1.8 can be written as 9 by 5. And 9.5, 9 by 5 like that, so therefore, this is also a rational number. What about this? Root 36. Root 36 like and numbers root 36, the square root of 36 can be written as that answer 2 times 2 times 아니 3 times 3 이렇게 두시로 so square root example whenever we use square root 두시로 될 number ni 도와 이 example야 갈리래 먼저 square root of 2 2니 요르시나 같이 해 2리로 times 3 so the answer is 6 6 can be written as 6 upon 1 so 딜 캐주 상마 창들래 so 36 ki 6 by 1 the rational number root 36 is also a rational number so therefore this is a rational number then next the root 2 square root of 2 we cannot find the exact number root 2 we since 2 is not a perfect square mewa sonza square root se 2 man se 2 middle example root 2 can be written as root 2 upon 1 root 2 upon 1 la version root 2 upon 1 di kharela na so ta di p by q is of the ratios condition 당보다 상샤 condition 이버디 p the q integer value root 2 is not an integer root 2 does not belongs to integer root 2 is not an integer maris middle samba condition 이버디 상 medus so therefore this is not an integer this is not a rational number what about this the decimal rows so the 가르돌라나 ता는 모두 제일 기절래야지 와 0.142857 the 가래 non-terminating repeating decimal so the example the 좀 그래서 rational number reverse 나 아니 먼저 이 raise 남기 디양 제일 디시 사기오지 이다 decimal 디 근데 대인수에 이 상마 rational number 임바체 란스타로 금진 따로지 what about this 디 레멘 도와다 root 2 디 레멘 도와 root 2 디 가지면나 so that root 2 디 numerator 디 root 2 디 integer 마임 가서 마임 바손자 this is not a rational number 다음에 minus negative 3 upon 0 디 reverse로 negative 3 upon 0 디 condition 당보다 딕샤스 부자다 맞아 유행해 condition 니워디 3다 negative 3 line integer reverse 나 integer raise 0 line integer reverse 나 integer raise 니가 딕샤스 condition 니워디 somebody condition somebody 가르쳐도나 q should not be equal to 0 라와 so q should not be equal to 0 나 0 레도 디 denominator therefore this is not a rational number and the rational number is is the kachin relana 16 ki square root 4 re taane shin 81 ki square root 9 re so 4 upon 9 is a rational number and number so yeah that the rational number ki definition re rational number ki examples that nye video na shi and tanji kange chi kharches lana ani rational number ne decimal so origin taane shi decimal ne rational number sudan da ne kange ti syo wa ne so da how to express rational numbers as decimal rational number ne decimal la khandes express chikimbe ladu zambala di matching any first we need to go we need to move on to learn the division by long division method anganzo the basic long division method yo di feminist ke chumbu chadu durwa bagi express chema so the big thing is this penetration na if you divide 8 by 2 8 by 2 divide chiwarashina mansame shimore namsa multiplication table taeba 2 kajusa 4 re 2 times 4 is equal to 8 d basonza 8 divided by 2 is equal to kare 4 a choching ni khala warna di ge di tumbu chikpa de khatsu tumbu chikpa de khatsu gi ni chair besa so the ge di tumbu chikpa khatsu tang penetration na no to kasa apple delia apple do jumo kushu ge yorta kushu ge yore kushu ge di ni tumbu chikpa khatsu tang lara kushu ge di tumbu chikpa de punil raso luktu nila chikpa chiksin shishi so di sambala ya ge di tumbu chikpa nil khatsu tang tu la shila tumbu shishi tang tu res de mo sonza 8 divided by 2 is 4 ro ta dina shi nganzoli ya di lela wo shu de yo mare ha jena division 상만 lela de yo mare ta kesi 8 di 3 go barashina if 8 is divided by 3 yeah ta 3 khatsu sa 8 re chiwas chaswa di de zamba ta de mo zo kushu di tumbu chikpa sumla mi sumla go ro mi sumla chikpa chiksin ra ro lok tu sumla ra go di sambala ya 다 고슈디 동부지부에서 숨당 어르신다 내일 지다 모두 고슈디 가지래 록두 창몰 당복 고슈니 때 도시 다 고슈 가져줘서 직니 숨시가 죽창마 니니라서 두네 다 가져라서 니 근데 누구로 해야 되나 숨숨 라그래 라그 말와 소 고슈를 가져라서 고슈니 하서 so the left over 그래도 하마들 한 먼저기 앙지기 통이 좀 비갈려나 remainder so the day basonza lelo shu nambu samanashi di yomare shuei the day basonza ta ngazo delia dindegi chiwarsin tuzugari ta ngazo long division ka dwe na shakya so long division ka su chiwarchina 먼저기 chiwade karcharuglana ta 8 divided by 2 labarchina and number 3에 기로와 long division 지대 sample 마도 symbol diffusion 치고와 도시체 a simple division sample 디 낭로리아 가티네 divisor 가서 dividend rule watch number dividend 로디나 낭로 루저디 가티네 모두 교체디 로 아니 교체디 고이네디다 가르차도르나 주차도와 딜라 divisor레 안 딜라 먼저기 answer 차도와 딜리아 가르차도르나 quotient 차도 다음에 시 딜라 가르차도르나 dividend 안 딜라 가르차도르나 divisor so di tumbu gedi tumbu chipani lo go tunge khazoyo resman tamo de charudo ta manzo di chiri zambala daily divide chiga do sambala ta kazu chiurai manzo multiplication table ta wa 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 3s are ani 6 2 4s are 8 2 5s are 10 do chiru sambala ya ta manzo number di chung thai ma che thai ma penetration manzo 2 3s are chiwarashina 6 less 1 and they'll subtract chiru sambala manzo khali gre lendi subtract to the lendi khali gre 2 chipo tha so yan yo ko ya do di some day che meres thane shin manzo gi khari che yo ma na che thai ma number di takka yamena almost 8 core so the some number ya ta manzo chibo chiwa che 2 5 times is 10 이게 치워라시나 양 먼저 가르쳐서 subtract to some negative 2 쳐서 negative 2 less than remainder cannot be less than 0 and the children know check penetration go should get some 보고 당보들이야 보고 내리 로프니 그래 보고 당보들 그러네 당보 그러니 저 뉴스테이션은 오 셴바들 유니버시 라마서 찍고 중요한 거라면 도 되게 이거 손자 먼저 디와이트 도 some 인지 민지 딱다 치고래 소디 딱다 술 돌아나 and the cups of 4 2 4 times is 8 and subtract the ones of answer khali re slowly ro today ibo sonza dela da lelo do de ta manzo dikapsu if you divide 8 by 3 8 the 3 by divide 8 the 3 ki divide chiwarashina gyorashina khali re so this example ta manzo del ya multiplication table di ta 3 ki ta ho so 3 ones are 3 3 2 times 6 3 3 times is 9 ता manzole khachire number the thanguro 3 1 such 3 1 such example khachile so 3 and the remainder is 5 to the remainder ro thama the 5 ba remainder the 5 la so monzo tumbusum ta ya tumbusum ta do la do del chik 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 de sum ta do la do the example remainder cannot be greater than divisor che yum bar sina yang yo divide che so the tak ta shi de me ta dum go monzo number the chung thai ba ta dum go the 3 la ता 먼저 같이 래 던지 러브는 신 넘버 3 기치다 3 치워라시나 3 3s are 9 야 넘버 디 가르쳐서 던지 subtract 좀 negative 1 less than 0 less 1 디 용고만 디디 임버 손자 만수 디비전 지도 좀 봐라 가려래 인제 민제 넘버 디 딱 가지고래 야면 디사 되고 예담데 충하지 so 디 좀 봐라 따따 이니 다 예담다 쌀 이니 따따 이니 충하지 수도라나 3 times 2 is equal to 6 so the in the sonza gene chuk temperature na khajule so so the in the sonza ta digi do tanji gi apple di da ta de so kushudi lopru sum la gyo barashina lopru sum ga ni ra ama di khajul ha do ni ha do an dil khala re na remainder dil khala bol na dividend andi divisor chalu wa andi khacha re once again question so the imposons are when 8 is divided by 3 the answer is 2 the answer and remainder kar dola na remainder is also 2 hama the kasul haso the left over la ra hama the ha jo dilo remainder 2 is so the total the sinya de kechin bu cha de wo shue cheza da tanji also division long division method ke division chunju shire thanashi now we are going to divide 936 by 4 so 936 by 4 the divide chidu sambal khachi re 936 divide by 4 chidu sambala since we are going to do it by long division method the chidu sambal ya 936 the dividend che ani 4 the khacha so divisor so the chidu sambala changme simbo re ta dos divide chiga chidu sambala ani ta delya khandes divide chige number chimbu should wa the number chimbu machine do asla chidu sambala khandes divide chiga chidu sambala ang wanzo nega pingala digit shimbazo this thing jeshan digo let's forget 36 let's think only about 9 chiboji kan samatang so 9 chiboji kan samatang warishna so ha 4 gi 9 ra khazwe 4 do wes la warishna now let us write the multiplication of 4 ones 4 2s times is 8 4 3 times is 12 4 times is 16 that is 2 for example 4 ones are 4 is 4 2s are 8 is almost 9 ro 9 gi chal nyadam chunga yingi ro di example manjo khari gi du do na ta ta chiu da number zo di 9 gi gang ta ta chiu line di ta ta mati version answer ta di mare so di bason za 4 2 times is kazurela na 8 and want to subtract example Gune ge temperature khajure 1. So mo thangbo sa so. So tanji de lawa na shin ta daily ya 1 lawa ra shin 4 khajure 1 re. Tu maro 1 is smaller than 4. And remainder ro di. Remainder ro. So denjo ge remainder ro charu. And relation ma copy che. Relation digit relation mo che. So the example ya ta daily ya 4 gi dugu me example di khar cha re 3 di copy chin de ra ma should. Ma should example if you take down or copy this 3 here then 1 becomes 13. 1 di khar cha so 13 cha so. Jesa the example ya 4 ka just 13 re. 4 3 times is 12. 4 4 is 16 mang thu 3 times is 12 in example. So mo zo ya 3 di gang la ta ta chi du smart t. And those 4 3 sa ka zo re la na 12 is. And subtract this example ya mo zo khar le so. So remainder is 1 and ya 1 little symbol of 4 2 marwa che merwa middle symbol khar che re ta di yan che basu chini did re le dwe so di ma shu na ne re copy chi bar chine 6 di khar cha so remainder khasa remainder 1 di khar cha so 16 cha so 1 di ma shu so 4 khazu sa re na 4 4 sa 16 so this little symbol subtract little symbol ma khar le so remainder 0 la na terminate cha sa ro so sa finish division is finished so division terminates la. So the example daily also so this divided by this is equal to 234. Chesa motolia step chick, step ni, and step sum. That example step 1, step 2, step 3. Daily step sum chiu to song moto. One this was song moto long division. Step really chido. Tati Nanzugi dela number dela khatu in a division to the example dela digit khatu yo she soon step leader di in bakyaumar and the color rally all na dela rally divisor penetration original manzo 72 the 8 get divide chi original dana hin 72 la di 3 get divide chi original the ni jik sia number same shingore 8 9 times is 72 same shingore subtract the answer 0 less 1. Step chick must chimas on. That did do child original 3 2 times is 6 the grow. And 1 leche 12 the mark of shit. 3 4 sa 12 like those chije manzolia the step katu chiso. Step ni. The step katu chick. Yana this step ni the doge chagre de in a mangchi the skip chi 72 like the skip chi 8 ki 7 la dugu me was so za one do dan china 8 0 sa 0 la t and subtract to 7 hangjal has on this much dus chira and 8 9 times is 72 dus chira step 2 those the red in again haji re mang che dik chi mo chin skip chi so 0 la di kang la yo marwa pi so kanda step di ba khop ma res mo digit din yan divisor di che ju la ra di res line step khatu ne dus so this is called long division method. Okay, so Tanji also long division method example. Now we are going to take this one long division test and daily also number chimbu sharing number chimbu some post hame chitu mare samya do ngamda chike ti de ini di relation step wise chiwarishna hang sign le lo res and post hame gi division chitu example thamu khachi ore we have to use this symbol for long division method and the number is 21845 should be divided by 5. Ro ti example thangbo dela digit thangbo dela ang anjogi divide dugur ves lawarashina o changme lagro du marwa du me example 0 tine divorda du ma shuchen tadi step description is shagya mo khachire number dingi ne shar 제상한 원조기 number ni le yoran le yo ma ta ngone do dan china jiu de 0 times 0 t and 5 0 times 0 wa 2 the rangja the remainder the so jang wo dik chimo go shek 21 ne shek and the example 21 so 5 kazusa 5 2 5 times 3 5 times 4 5 times 5 that was two na Manzulia 5 kazus 21 relana 5 4 20 is almost 21 ra so the one the tata kang tije 5 4 times is 20 21 minus 20 is 1 and remainder the lesson 1 ang anzu khachere we need to take down or copy that 8 the mashura 1 becomes 18 so 5 khajus 18 right lower china 5 3s almost 18 wa 5 3s 15 wa this sigwa subtract the anzu kharle so answer 3 so the 3 map of this example remainder 3 la the 5 the 2 marwa the next khajere we need to take down 5 so 5 khajus 35 right 5 6 times is 30 5 7 times is 35 5 8 times 40 5 9 45 5 10 times is 50 this is example of 5 khajus 35 though 5 7s are 35 in this example what you get is remainder is 0 so 5 khajus 0 less than 4 real na dus tana del remainder 0 cha ba jule number ha do tando in this example remainder high tando we need to take down 4 the map of next 4 the map of this example 5 khajus 4 hai 2 yo ma 2 में ना 5 zeros 0 che ang jo kharle so 4 and then in last ang jo 5 the ma shure 5 ka jo 45 5 9 times is 45 and then the way ama mindo so therefore this is the remainder and terminus therefore ani ang jo the number the 2,18,544 divided by 5 is 0 the two more che 43,709 so both some same chas wadi so division chita di both this branch at basic chumure lai you the multiplication table di both some amount to jurochi one chin 10 both samata lai rochi the t demo che tang azu jeli da ta di contest divide chigala 1 divided by 2 ta deli ya divide chidis about long division chidis about go to deli wa so there is a number the 1 chart gore there is a divisor the 2 chart gore so 2 gi 1 la to right 2 marwa number the chuma do 2 gi che 2 marwa di in this number monzo kangi chart di kangi chart de sambala an number chame gi sing ba chi uda 1 can be written as 1.0 this can be also written as 1.00 this can be also written as 1.000 khatsu chidir harchini 1.00 la suna 1 dar malaya kumu 1 point level la na kumu chi dar gesha che mero so di in the sonza ta nganzo division chigi medu sambal harchire delia 2 gu gu medu sambala manzo harche share del 1.0 ti 1.0 ti sambala 1.0 ti sambala kange te kharela na ta de decimal chini yine khachire mega bigala decimal di me samran wa me samje ai manzo gi del chiga ver so the example ya the decimal the mena ki 10 chaswa so 2 khajus 10 re 2 5 times is 10 so 10 minus 10 is 0 the example ya ta manzo la answer 5 well mare the ko number the 1 la chunju sure 5 gi tobungal ta idri yo por mar the example manzo the decimal the legal decimal the koi yo ta gang ke share so therefore this is equal to 0.5 lale yamena 0.5 so total chikpa chiksi decimal ge ngonzo divide chidu sambal ro chidang chikpa chiksi long division method na shin che ta daily 0 less 1 male brashina mutun re reswe chezang da tanji ngonzo division long division method ke division chunju shire thanashi now we are going to divide 936 by 4 so 936 by 4 the divide chidu sambal khachi re 936 divide by 4 to this number since we are going to do it by long division method the this number 936 the dividend check ani 4 the harcha so divisor so the this number changme singbo re ta dos divide chiga this number ani ta daily ya khandes divide chige number chumbu should wa the number chunju shimashme do asla this number khandes divide chiga this number ang wanzo nega pingala digit shimba do this stringa jeshan digo let's forget 36 let's think only about 9 chiboji kan samatang so 9 chiboji kan samatang origina so ta 4 gi 9 la khazwe 4 do west la origina now let us write the multiplication of 4 ones 4 twos times is 8 4 3 times is 12 4 times is 16 that is 2 to example 4 ones are 4 is 4 twos are 8 is almost 9. Rwa 9 gitsal nyadam chunga yingi dirwa di example manjo khari gi dugdo na takta chiu da number zo di 9 gi gang takta chiu line di takta mati version answer takta di mare so di bason za 4 2 times is kazurela na 8 ang manjo subtract chiu example gune ge them version kazure 1 so manjo thangbo di sa so tanji di lawa na shi ta delia 1 lawa version 4 kazursa 1 re tu marwa 1 is smaller than 4 and remainder wadi remainder wa so denzo ge remainder do charu and relation ma copy che relation digit relation mo che so the example ya ta delia 4 gi dugu me example di khar cha re 3 di copy chin de ra ma should example if you take down or copy this 3 here then 1 becomes 13 1 di khar cha so 13 cha so jesa di example ya 4 ka ju sa 13 re 4 3 times is 12 4 4 is 16 mang thu do 3 times is 12 in example so mo zo le ya 3 di gang la ta ta chi bu sma ti and those 4 3 sa ka ju re la na 12 is and subtract this example ya mo zo khar le so remainder is 1 and ya 1 li example 4 gi du marwa che merwa me example khar che re ta di yan te bas yo chini ji re le dwe re so di ma shu na ne copy chi bar chine 6 di khar cha so remainder khasa remainder 1 di khar cha so 16 cha so 1 di ma shu du so 4 khaju sa re na 4 4 sa 16 so this chi example subtract chi example ma zo khar le so remainder 0 la na terminate cha sa ro so sa ro finish division is finished so division terminates la so the example there ya ma zo khar le so this divided by this is equal to 234 제상 모토리아 step chick step ni and step sum for example step 1 step 2 step 3 del step sum chiu to so mo 원 디치와 송상 모두 민코랑 long division step 에 리치도 다디 만주기 델 넘버 딜라 갖두이네 디비전 치도 example 델 디지 갖주요 시소 step 리레라 디 임바 켜고마 안디 갈라 라리고로나 델 라리 디바이저 델 penetration 버리죠 먼저 72 the 8 gi divide chi warishna dana shi 72 la di 3 gi divide chi warishna dingi jik sia number 7 shingo re 8 9 times is 72 sami shingo so subtract the answer 0 le so step chik mas chi mas ta di do cha warishna 3 2 times is 6 the go ani 1 le che 12 di ma pa che 3 4 sa 12 like this chije manzo ya del step khazu chi so step ni del step khazu chi yana this step ni ta doge chare de ine mangchi di skip chi di 72 like the skip chi 8 gi 7 la du me wa son za mone do dan chi na 8 0 sa 0 la ti ro and subtract to 7 ang jal ha so dus ma chi ro dus chi ro ani 8 9 times is 72 dus chi ro step 2 do sta re de ine ge khaji re mangche di ti mo go chen skip chi so 0 la di kang la yo ma ro di in soanda step di ba khop ma res mo digit di yang divisor di che ju ma ra di res la step khatu ne dus ting so this is called long division method pichen pu chang se cha yu sha re okay so tanji mo long division method chin ba chi example now we are going to take this one long division test and daily ya mo ki number chibu chiei number chibu chidu som pu samye gi chitu mare samye ro jingam da chike ti de ini de lele chin step wise chiwar china hang sai le lo res an pu samye gi division chidu som thamu kha chi ore we have to use this symbol for long division method and the number is 2184545 should be divided by 5 ro ti example 당보들라 디직 당보들라 안간조기 divide 두글 베스 러버시나 오 상메로 두마르와 두고 메디 잠발라 0 티네 디고다 두 마슈친 따디 스텝 디스크립션이 시작이야 먼저 같이래 넘버 딩이 내셔 제상한 먼저기 넘버 니 레요라 레요 마다 우리 도단치나 지우데 0 times 0 t and 5 0 times 0와 2 디랑자 디 remainder 디 손장 먼저 디 치모고 시작이야 21 내셔 and the example 21 so 5 kazusa 5 2 5 times 3 5 times 4 5 times 5 that was two words na Manzulia 5 kazus 21 relana 5 4s 20 is almost 21 ra. So the 1 the count teacher 5 4 times is 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. And remainder the lesson 1. And once we need to take down or copy that 8 mashura 1 becomes 18. So 5 kazus 18 relana 5 3s almost 18 wa 5 3s 15 wa this subtract the answer 3. So the 3 map of this example remainder 3 let the 5 to 2 marwa. The next kajere we need to take down 5. So 5 kajusa 35 right? 5 6 times is 30, 5 7 times is 35, 5 8 times 40, 5 9 45, 5 10 times is 50. This example of 5 kajusa 35 though. 5 7 sa 35. This example what you get is remainder is 0. So 5 kajusa 0 less than 3 real na. This tana real remainder 0 cha wala chile member ha do tanto. This example remainder high tanto. We need to take down 4. 4 the map of next. 4 the map of this example 5 kajusa 4 2 yo ma. 2 mena 5 0 sa 0 che. I'm going to do 4. And then last, I'm going to do 5 the mashure. 5 kajusa 45. 5 9 times is 45. And then the way, so therefore this is the remainder and terminates. Therefore, I think also the number the 2,18,544 divided by 5 is 0 the tumor was here 43,709. So both some same chas so division chita the both this branch at PMC Kachumure like you the multiplication table the both summing out to Jurochi 1 inch in 10 pot samata lie watch they treat them watch it. Tang as jelly da that they can just divide 1 divided by 2. That daily divide this about a long division to about the daily. So daily number the 1 chart gore daily divisor the 2 chart gore. So 2 give 1 like to right. Tomorrow number the chumado 2 give tomorrow. The in this about Monzo Kangish chart, the Kangish chart is about and number Sami Shingashuda 1 can be written as 1.0. This can be also written as 1.00. This can be also written as 1.000. Katsu Tidir Harchini 1.00 lasuna 1 dar. Malaya Kumu 1 point level lana. Umuchi dar. Pesha Chemerwa. So the in the Sonza. Tanganzo division Chigi Medusambal Harchire. Delia 2 Dugu Medusambala. Manzu Harche Share. Tell 1.0 teacher. 1.0 to Zambala, 1.0 to Zambala, Kanye to Karelana, that the decimal chili. In a Kachire, nega wiggle decimal, the may some rangua, may some j, and Mazu del Chigar. So the Zambalia, the decimal the mena, the 10 chas one. So 2 Kajusa 10 red. 2 5 times is 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. The Zambalia, that Manzula answer 5 well. Mare, this number the 1 sure of 5 Tubungal time for Mar. In this number, I'm going to the decimal the legal. Decimal the koi you were the gum case. So therefore, this is equal to 0.5 the Yamina 0.5. So Dotan Chipachixi decimal game on to divide Chidu Sambalwa, Chidan Chipachixi long division method machine share that daily at 0 less one. Malabrashina Mutun rescue. Okay, that I division, long division method to connect simple chikta the penetration divide 3 upon 4. So the example the 3 upon 4 is example put something the post chi so chiwa the lane serochia the post chin or chiwa the sha post chi lane serochi is right. Tade post chi salwa and I want to lane it where the solution tango the chat symbol 3 by 4 divide chiga to this example what you get is this long division T 3 this chirwa 4 ki dur bas ladi 2 mares 2 me to kachera this can be written as 3 upon 0 tadi tidu chambala ya tadi 3.0 the negative decimal to your the decimal the me some 10 chirwa 30 some so 4 khajus 30 re sami shingore Del tia marta 4 7 sa. 7 times is summation go 28. So delia subtract the 30 ne 28 temperature khachole so 2. The example 2 last one. 2 la example ta delia remainder last one. La example motu ni chiuro chi ko example 먼저 같이 오래. Decimal 연교 가져 0 지리 될 0 가져 지리 3.0 찍이네 0 2네 3라. So the 0 di map 2 da 예, 다시 remainder 2 이거. 20 차서 개봐 둬. So the example 4 가져 20래. 4 5 20. So the remainder is 0. 레드 example이야. 먼저 차서. remainder 0 레서 다 될 요만 답이야. 미디 example이야. 다될 갈래서 75. 다 차르베. 레디 차 요만. 가이스나 먼저 decimal 요로. Decimal the kari you count the here. So this becomes 0.75. So this can be written as 0.75. Kanashin 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 like the TV symbol. So 1 the tiro 1 can be written as 1 upon 0. And the example 3 causes 10 rela na 3 3s are 9. And then subtract the symbol 1. Here remainder 0 le maso 1 raw. The 0 is here. The 0 the mapal guru 10 chan. So example ya rangja 3 3s are 9. Ya subtract 0 1 lead. Ya there 0 is here. The mapal guru this is example 9. Mutune. Tade very do rangja. So there you decimal 0 so the decimal is 0. So this number becomes 1 upon 3 like the solution di thangodwa nibadi 1 upon 3 can be written as 0.3333333 다 모든 로드디 가지나나 remainder never becomes 0 때문에 차면 더 조금 더 줘야면 더 모든 이 모든 돼 repeat 로드라 repeating 그래 야면은 recurring so 딜라 망부지 로 식문이 recurring 표지 다 이네 망치 가르 표지 로나 repeating repeat 치기 되나 뭐지 So repeat chidi na mato t te mo ji tina t sa me ro so this can be mato the symbol piju che symbol khari piju che na bar di khar la wo na 3 di mutu ni repeat chidi ge joy me so bar di 0.3 la na charo jo charo de la bar thi na khar la wo 3 di mutu ni repeat chidi ge so che okay ta question da ji mato de ya 1/3 ki answer dikha so 0.3 bar question number super di So solution somebody 12 because 1 divided by 12 so 1 large example 2 example becomes 1.0 가져 뒤로 1.00 가져 뒤로 되라 so this example what you get is number ni delete example 12 0 times is 0 되라 10 ला दूमा रो 이 मान लीजिए example खर्चासो 10 लेसो and delete 0 직 माप 100 차सो So daily example the decimal the share gang rule atanji nashi so daily 12 khaju sarela na 8 sa 12 8 sa khajure answer is 96 wa the example the subtract example what you get is 4 the example and the name onzu ma 0 ji ma pop so daily khali do 40 lesson 40 the example 12 khaju sa 40 rela na 12 3 times is not summation 36 so the example yang subtract example remainder khalle so 4 yang 0 ji ma pop khasa 0 ji ma pop ro 40 ya rangja 3 sa ani 36 khalle do 4 di mutu ledi do so therefore question number sumba di do 1/12 can be written as 0/083333 mutu ledo so this can be written as 0.08 아니 3디 모트니요. 심마요 말다 3디 지고 모트니요 손자 3디를 바르시티시나. So the rest way. Question number super chaso. Ini let's do question number 4 and 5. The question number 4 do chaso 거라시나. 7 divided by 11. 나와. So they divide 거라시나. So when you divide this by 11, what you get is the daily decimal del 0 가져 지리로 또 뒤로. So 11 가져 사례라 그러시나. 11 6 times is 66 와. So therefore subtract chili sample manzo kharle so answer 4. So this chili sample ya kharlik do and there 0 khazu chili ro tin ma 0 jik ma pop this sample what you get is 40. So kharli the 11 3 times is 33. What? Divided by subtract chili so answer 7 li ro and there ya 0 here ro yan de 0 the motu ma pop ro pop this sample what you get again 0. So khazu again 6 0 66 subtract chili sample yan khali re 4 de 0 here ro yan ya motu ma pop ro 0 63 yan rangja de ya khali do de ya 1 2 3 chili sample 33. So de ya next khali do 7 and yan rangja 0 jikli zamo mutuni ma 0 stiro delia khazesa again it is divided by 6 11 6 times is 66 akana manda mutuni do dik do delia remainder is 4 let's see the decimal stiro. Now this can be written as 7 by 11 is equal to 0 upon 6 3 6 3 6 3 mutuni do dik do. This can be written as 0.63 delia tanji de number so chik chik do he in the son zang bar the chicken del digit nigal do so nigal bar sti. So this is how we get 7 by 11 is equal to 0.63 bar ne thamadi 1 upon 7 wa so once we question over the 1 upon 7 that is 7 the 1 the divide chiro so delia chikni som shi na so 7 gi khajo sa do na 7 ones are 7. So my subtraction example the answer is 3. 10 ne din temperature khajo re 3 ro ate decimal dia kan ke shi ro ate 0 sti decimal ti ro the 3 the mop up kutsa lego the mop up 0 cha 7 4 times is 28 ro pelu chin chi da lelo shu jo pe 2 chi ro ya rangja mop up ro decimal the 0 sti ro de la so 7 khajo sa 7 2 sa 14 ro so that remainder subtract ro the remainder is 6 and then in here rangja 0 ch mapa gurwa 60 cha so 7 8 sa 56 subtract chili sample ma to khali answer 4 ya khali re ngjo la elia 0 shli ro 0 example 7 khajo sa 7 5 sa 35 subtract chila ngjo khali de remainder 5 li do ani ya rangja 0 ch mapa gurwa 7 khajo sa 7 sa 49 less one remainder khare 1 ani 0 thama di mas pop na 0 li rangja less one 7 1 sa 7 ya rangja motun do to fi chi so the example dik up su number di kharli do lawa rachna 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 and teacher mutun repeat it means about the sangmal bar this line. So after 6 decimal place number repeats again and repeat it. So those meaning answer here rational number the decimal to raise line division method. Chesang ta tanjing answer here we are able to express rational numbers as decimal form, right? So the example thango dela 1 upon 2 is equal to 0.5. Even the 3 by 4 can be written as 0.75. 1 upon 3 can be written as 0.3 bar. Ila di khalu word na 0.333 mutun yela wora. Tana shi dela 0.636363 di mutun yela wora. Tana shi 0.8333 di mutun yela wora. Tana shi dela ya khala wora 0.142857 142857 di mutuni years mogwa so di bason jang to decimal expansion dela the rational number the decimal expansion example yawa ni che to so yawa thang bot khacha do la na ang answer ya terminating decimals wa terminating decimal penetration de so mo example the khacha do la na 1 by 2 3 upon 5. Terminating no, those are there. Divide in remainder 0. Division is finished. Division those are remainder 0. Let's have remainder 0. Terminate chasa. So diniga gardola na terminating decimal ge example ma we ro le shi e shi ma shi dus dila khalo do la na non terminating na khalo ko na remainder 0 le ko ra me smooth de remainder 0 le me smooth ne ye pa shas so non terminating la ya ni yo res yo so khare repeating non terminating gi ba khansi che repeating la re recurring la re ya na ndelia shi ba res non repeating okay so non terminating repeating terminating ina the yimba che remainder 0 linge non terminating e this sound rational number non terminating yine khajik do ko sama repeat chi dik do so the example there ya sur do la na number di khare la na 1/3 repeat chi dik do de terminate chi gim do des non terminating re do des in a repeat ke chi dik do repeat chi dik do so the example 1/3 di ratios ta na 7/11 ke ratios de 6363 repeat chi do 1/12 ke ratios ta na 1/7 ke to di gangza digit 2 di gangza repeat chi do so the example these are all non-terminating repeating decimal ya na non-terminating recurring decimal ta churon sol chiwa ju da non-terminating non-repeating de your rest la chiwa ju ya ko on di chik chaso okay ta monzo tanda de rational number di decimal la express chito so ta dine shi ta monzo ki thari ki nangle zo de chiala ya shiba ji shi mo chu factor la factors la raw factor la ne di raw factors la ne factor la wa na ta del factor la di machine yin khari shi bu do la na number sama multiplication shi mo chu wa penetration na multiplication do ji na 2 times 3 ro number ni gyur che the operation di physics chi che manzo khali re 6 la number chik lik do factor la na ro khari la na number chik ma shyo ma ro le ni yu si ni ma number multiplication ji de number ni som shi nga de ro number chik su do factor la di unmultiplying lo do multiplying di su kapchul chi bo shna so the number ni gyur su na gyur to tila de multiple zero ta dine shi gyur to di ne su ani dos rawa rachna an de zol khala do factors la na kenda lo ro ta dini gyur chi pagile ro 2 ka zo is a 6 right 2 3 is a 6 is not 2 is a factor la na divide chi ne 0 linge so the 2 gi 2 do 6 la we was sonza on 2 di kenda res la so kenda la de example 2 re 3 re samaro dine shi ma do let's say what are the factors of 12 or na ang samay khalare 2 times 6 factor ro ta ni shi pu shi ba ji la da 3 times 4 망고 또 와라 또 보고 저 강의 같이 하래 네 망고 요버르시나 다 factor 그래 디에레 세상 그게 왜 게스트 요르시나 both are right 이가 this 가지나나 2기 6 are 12 6 2s are 12 3 4s are 12 4 3s are 12 이가 두도 factor is 다디 this umbrella manzolia number 12 give factors 찾아 세주스 find the factors of 12 세주라고 아디 제가 두디 umbrella 가르쳐야 돼 만족되니 고쳐야 돼 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 this shit so tada 먼저 there here to the 60 factor wa the this number 가진 factor rela na 2 6 12 the this number the 년도 랑싱기 60에 걸쳐 둘라 na factor is so factor 이게 some 보다 잡 다시 3 the 4 3 4s 12 도 there factor is 딱 먼저 갈래래 1 라이드 리버스 란 기질은 and 상매 신고래 1d 1 12s 12 도 and so 12 도 so 1 is also a factor of 12 년도 12 dige factor 라 하디네 신 먼저 넘어갈래래 5 라이드 factor 리버스 12 divide to symbol of 5 2s 10 remainder last one remainder you know factor mares so the factor mares 다음에 7 the dugur was 7 1s are 7 remainder is 5 remainder is symbol there factor mares 다음에 8 the dugur was 8 1s are 8 remainder 4 has one there reminders 다시 9 the dugru is 12. 9 ones are 9, remain the 3 less on 9 the remindus, 10 the remindus, 11 the remindus. So what are the factors? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and and 12. So factor mango shudo, re kajiluna, into sangma jursuna, collido, number Quran range factor is. Touch one you was lead the one, factor let's have prime factorization. Prime factorization on the condition over is factor let's have. Now we have prime factorization. So prime factorization like the culture na factor prime number factors set of prime numbers. When we multiply, it forms number or numbers. It is about the prime factorization law. Prime prime number. So prime number prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Factor ni measurements, the number itself and 1. Factor ni measurements. Penetration 7. 7 there were 1 sevens are 7, 7 ones are 7. The measurement. 7 is a special number because it has only two factors. 7 la factor ni measurements. 1 the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So the day number prime numbers. So prime numbers, let's say prime number less than 20 the prime number, less than 20 prime number prime numbers which are less than 20. So the example prime numbers are prime numbers prime number 2 raise, 3 raise, 5 raise, 7 raise. The prime number 11 13 17 then 19 raise. These are prime numbers which are less than 20. And the main numbers composite numbers. So composite numbers the main numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 numbers less than 20. What about 1? 1 is special. 1 delaya product of 1 times 1 1 like the number that there condition in a can 1 into 1 can use 1 and 1 chick round 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So the zones are that prime number composite number the composite number and composite number composed of prime number set penetrate 2 times 2. 2 times 3. 2 times 2 in 2 times 2. 3 times 3. 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 7. 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and last there 2 times 3 times 3. Those teacher or did some prime number. They use some prime number. Prime number 2 composite number more than 2 factors, having more than 2 factors. Prime number having 2 factors, the number itself and 1. And 1 is neither prime nor composite. This is prime factorization. Factor 3 factor 3. Penetration let's say the 12 factor prime factorization 12 the 4 3 4 times 3 re in a deep prime number marwa this can be further factorized as 2 times 2 and the 3 the prime number and 3 the mashur tale hi poji in la si 2 times 6 the kogachi factor 2 times 6 2 the prime number but 6 is not and 6 can be written as 2 times 3 So the match example kachire to the mashu. Kari yini mene tamadela answer the rangja rebe 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 2 times 2 times 3. So dingiga rede ine tamadela dilligidwa. So prime factorization is unique to kattu ine rangja li khane chine number shibash ko chune tamad rangja li. So this is how you do find the prime factorization of a given number. Composite number with prime factorization on this total dete. On this symbol 다 다나신 먼저 rational number decimal t 버시나 딱 먼저리야 지와 타만이 주 보고 상면에 개불 시대기 개불 당보들려야 먼저 rational number 시대기 definition 1 by 7 개불 니바들라 decimal form 디 마티우레 개불 시와다 nature of decimal decimal 디 가레스 terminating re non terminating repeating re non terminating non repeating re 가레 and sumba들라 denominator 디 factors. What are the factors of denominator? Enzo tache, ang mazo to si table dela, ang yegi shishti number sama di lane di tata stiro chi is lai, and tarigi dinda di lerin di rational number di decimal suta, and rational number di terminating re non-terminating matia, and then kasa denominator di kharit jawado. Terminating in a denominator di factor condition kodo. Onzo sama, and number c ni tari nang di nang le di kurki yesu.